Across the grasslands, forests, and savannas of Africa and Asia walks one of the most intelligent and magnificent animals on Earth, the elephant. Known for their enormous size, powerful trunks, and strong family bonds, elephants are among the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. An elephant's long nose is called a trunk. This incredible tool contains over 40,000 muscles and is used for breathing, smelling, drinking, grabbing food, and even greeting other elephants. It is one of the most versatile body parts in nature. Click the arrow for more video.